Hey guys, Patrick, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Tuesday, we're out here in Wheat Ridge, and I just wanted to show you what we were doing. We got the Dingo out here today, and we just demoed. All this was a concrete pad, about 3.5 inches thick. We had a jackhammer attachment on the Dingo, cracking all that out. That's all in the dumpster now. We're also grading this because we are pouring a new pad. Again, also, we're putting, we took the old finish off this ceiling, and we're putting up blue stain, tongue and groove, one of our favorite finish pieces. And to pour this pad, when our concrete guy comes, we had 1, 2, 3 structural posts for this roof. So what we had to do was put an angle brace out of the way so it wouldn't be in the way of the concrete when it's poured. And structurally speaking, we had to build an A-frame. A-frames are one of the most structural frames you can build. So if you ever run into a problem like this where your post is going to be out of plumb, the roof could still maybe fall this way, down to a stake in the ground, then you're going to make part of your A back up to your existing ceiling joist, and then finish your A off right here. As you can see, makes the letter A a triangle, one of the most powerful structures you can get in the construction industry. So that's going to hold up our roof. Right now, one of the last things we have to do is demo out this wall. We could cut it out with a sawzall. It'll probably take a long time. Being that we have a Dingo here, I'm going to fire it up, and I'm just going to try and slowly push the wall from the bottom, making sure not to give any lift to it because we are braced and posted here, so I don't want to lift up the roof, but I'm just going to try and maybe roll that wall out and basically crash this thing right into it. So let me fire this up and give it a shot. All right, well that went well. The wall's down. We're probably just going to cut that in half, or even pick it up with the Dingo, haul it to the dumpster, and we're about to wrap it up for the day. Colorado Custom Covers and Decks is the company. I'm Patrick. Be sure to check out our Facebook page at Covers and Decks, and of course our YouTube channel, The Deck Answers. Thanks again, guys.